What are you doing, my dear brother? Oh my god, hello. Do you want to play something, yeah? Yeah, my boy, yeah. What are... Yeah, my boy. You want to say something? Or you want to eat something? My finger? Yeah, my boy. You want to relax, yeah? I know that, Ricky. But I want to do something to play with you. So, come on. Go in your cage, please. Please. What are you doing? You want to eat something? Or to drink something? You want to drink coffee? It was a prank, Ricky. You know that, yeah? What are you doing here? Why did you stay on your cage but not on your cage? Why? Why are you so stupid? Stupid parrot. Yeah.